Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to delete chats on WhatsApp. Firstly, you need to open your WhatsApp. Then you will be land on chat section. At the top right corner, tap on three-line icon. Tap on settings. You will enter on the chat section. Tap on the chat. Scroll down at the bottom, you will see chat history. Tap on it. Tap on clear all chats. You need to tick both the options and tap on clear chats. You can also tap on delete all chats. Tick on the option and tap on delete chats. Now let's have a glance at the chat section. Here you can see all the chats has been successfully deleted. In this way we can delete all chats on WhatsApp. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.